on it, so I'm sitting for to try and get grip. That's why you keep up with us at the start, and once I get the grip,
once you're on gear 2, you're gone, like.
It goes, like. It's soon about 4,500 mil. It's in a truck, like.
Aye.
Behind that courser now, it's failed to stop. Stand by. November Mike 06, November Delta Uniform, A1, joining southbound at Seatonburn. T-Pack level 1, suitable vehicle. Requesting authority for the pursuit. Pursuit criteria does apply and will be updated. Further tactically trained units supporting dog. 1414, can you just get 512 to do it please and let us give the commentary? Approaching off slip of Forden, again try to feed. Forden, it's taking the feed, still A1, southbound, speed 80, low risk, traffic conditions.
Crazy man. Come up, listen.
Take this way, 512 in custody, Whisker, Thomas.
M3 what vehicle we got?
Yeah, the vehicle is a black Corsa, November Mike 06, November Delta Uniform.
1414, we're now the A167 Ponteland Road towards Kenton Bar. So left, possibly into a dead end, new estate, stand by. These off-road on the grassed area to the side of the A1, and we've got M-Pass above yet.
M-Pass 32?
Yeah, we're a mile away. Yeah, we're currently running parallel on the grassed area, A1. It's going for the footbridge. Can we get people to Forden Road? Forden Road, I think he's going to come out there, possibly a dead end.
Yeah, fields to Forden Road, please.